I have heard many stories and concluded some mistakes that people make while manifesting. It is okay if you have made them too because we learn from them. Also, mention in the comments section if you have seen others making it. So let's start with the first one. Saying physical world is illusion and getting anxious if something unpleasant shows up. Been there, done that. But harsh truth is that if something outside of us is making us anxious, then we are believing in the outside world. At no point we should try to control the outside. Focus should always be within. Practice I am meditation or self-inquiry with curiosity, and not in mechanical way to understand what is real and what is not. Nothing other than your own direct experience can convince you otherwise. The second mistake, looking at others as part of problem or solution. Others were never the problem and they never will ever be a problem. It's all about you and will always be about you. So, you are the only person you need to focus on. See, what are you cultivating within? What do you think is real? Observe the stories your ego is hanging on to. Let them go. The third one, not understanding what exactly manifesting is. Mostly people look at manifestation as a magic trick to get whatever they want. Manifestation is already happening on its own. We can't really do anything about it other than changing our focus. When our dominant focus shifts, things shift, but not the other way around. So, shift focus inwards. If you don't understand this, then you may end up being hyper-focused on circumstance. The fourth, not seeing this as a lifestyle. Sometimes people start seeking quick fixes through manifestation. It doesn't really work that way, because of so much desperation being around in that case. For insignificant things, you may not need to change anything. Just think about it and it manifests within days. But for significant things it does take inner transformation. So, make it a lifestyle. Integrate it in every area of your life. The fifth and the common one, keeping desires on pedestal. On surface level, it may look like that manifestation is all about desires, but it is really not. Let's assume today you are desiring $10,000 per month. Once you get it, it may make you feel fulfilled for a few days or weeks, but after that it'll become normal and a new void will be created within you. This hunt will never end. So, understand and experience who you truly are. It may sound bitter, but without knowing who you are, happiness is just a gap between two sorrows. The sixth mistake, carrying the past around like a button and worrying about future. Common mistake everyone makes at some point is this. Don't be guilty or resentful for something happened in past. Forgive and let go. Also, stop figuring out everything that can go wrong in future. Conscious manifestation is not there to make your life hell. So, have fun. Embody the state of unconditional love. Let go of everything that bothers you. Feel that everything is being taken care of and everything is perfect. When you feel it to be perfect, it will be perfect. The seventh one, trying to fix problems with mind. You can't fix any problems with your mind. It can only give you an illusion of fixing problems. Once one problem is gone, next will be ready to be fixed. Such constant hustle can burn you out. Even when you notice a bad thought or emotion, don't try to fix it. Fix your identification and it will stop appearing as problem. You are perfect and this perfection is expressing itself through life, even in form of seemingly imperfections. 8. Seeking confirmation on outside. Never ever seek confirmation or reassurance outside. It comes from lack or fear. If your feeling of security relies on a person or on amount in your bank account or anything on outside, then it is going to be crumbled someday, because outside is constantly in flux. Keep feeling security, happiness, unconditional love, because no matter how many circumstances change, these feelings will always remain constant. The ninth and the final one, thinking techniques manifest. If techniques would have power to manifest, then there won't be so many people struggling to manifest their desires for years. It is deep inner conviction that manifests. Doesn't matter what you imagine while visualizing, affirming or scripting, what you accept to be true about you will manifest. So, don't worry about seeing things as real. Instead, feel them as real. Also, don't cling on to any experience, whether it is good or bad. If you cling on to pleasant experience, then you'll be clinged when it will turn unpleasant, because these are two sides of same coin. You can't keep one side and reject another. Become interested in the experience of being aware. Notice that being aware is attached to every other experience. Notice the eternal, unchanging awareness and realize that it is already everything. You are the light that reveals the existence of everything. So keep your focus on the right direction and happy manifesting. Subscribe if you like this video.